Hi friends, this video shows how to disable rest mode on PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Then go to system. Under system, select power saving. Then select set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Select it. Here we can see two options. During media playback, select it. Here we have to select last option, don't put in rest mode. Done. Then go to the second option, while playing games, select it. Here also we need to select this last option, don't put in rest mode. Done. So this way we can disable rest mode in PS5. Please check it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.